So this is the Stim Tech Neo, and to turn it on, you have a little button here, and it's got a lit screen, and if the light goes off, then you hit the little light thing down here and it'll go back on. So the 10 setting are the first 13, and to go between them you use the program button, and you just hit that and you can see it's going to go up. And after that there's some other settings which you really don't need, so ignore them. But if you happen to throw in, there's 32 programs in here, and you, oh my god, I want to get back to my 10 settings, so you hold the program button for 3 seconds, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, it'll flip, hold it again, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, it'll flip, and then one more time, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, it'll flip, and then again 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, and it's back to 0. So you want to be at the 0 screen, because as you go up, this is the one you want to try first. P4, it'll cycle between a low frequency, which is 2 Hertz, and then it'll go to a high frequency, which is 100 Hertz. Now you see how the light flipped off, so you go to that little light thing and you flip it back on. And that will go for about 40 minutes. Okay, so there's your preset. So if you leave that, it'll just run for 40 minutes and it'll shut off. So that's basically what you need to know to run this unit. And if you've got any questions after watching this, then I'll be happy to tell you more. You can read the manual for the rest of it, but it really should be that simple to operate.